Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Velleri Dal Masala, Velleri Parippu curry. Ingredients for Velleri Dal Masala, Velleri Parippu curry. Velleri 500 gram, 2 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 green chilli, 100 grams of Mung dal, 2 tomato, grated coconut 3 tablespoon, small onion 5, garlic cloves around 7 numbers, cumin seed 1 teaspoon. This is for grinding as a paste actually. 6 small onion, 2 red chilli, little curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard. This is for tempering. See, after removing the skin and all, you will get around 500 gram only. But total weight is around above 700 grams. That's why I mentioned as 500 gram. After removing the skin, then the inside the seeds, if you are removing that one, you will get approximately 500 grams. So peel the skin. See, we removed the seeds and we peeled the skin. So I have to cut into pieces like this. So we cut the velleri into dices. In the same way we cut the tomato also, plus the green chilli. I taken the moong dal in pressure cooker, thoroughly washed. So you have to add, for this quantity you have to add this amount of water. So we are going to add the velleri, tomato, green chilli, everything together. We are going to cook in pressure cooker. We are going to add the chilli powder and turmeric powder. So we have to cook this one for 3 whistles. You can use toor dal also. If you use toor dal, soak it for half an hour and then use it, because this and the velleri cooking time and toor dal cooking time is different. So if you are soaking in that one before half an hour, it will be cooked for this time itself. Lid the pressure cooker, switch on the flame and leave for 3 whistles. This is the third whistle. We are going to switch off the flame. We are going to transfer the grinding ingredients to the blender jar. That is grated coconut, cumin seed, small onion, garlic. So we have transferred everything to the blender jar. We are going to grind this one. See, we grind it as a paste. Check it in between. If you need water, you can add water and grind again. So you have to grind this one as coarse paste like this. For tempering, we are keeping ready the small onion, wow, see, it's well cooked, everything together. Tomato, velleri, moong dal, green chilli. We have to keep this one in sim flame. I'm going to add the grinded paste. Which is grated coconut, cumin seed, small onion and garlic. That is the paste. So add the paste, mix it well and keep in sim flame. So in the meanwhile, we're going to prepare the ingredients for tempering. Little oil, so you have to use coconut oil for this, for tempering. Let the oil get heated up. Going to fry the mustard, red chilli, curry leaves, onion. I can feel the nice flavor of coconut oil. So especially for this dish, you have to use coconut oil for tempering. So the tempering is ready. We're going to switch off the flame. You have to keep in sim flame till the raw smell go off of the paste which we have added. Salt to taste. We're going to add the tempering. Velleri Dal Masala from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.